Today is Monday, March 31st, 2025, and today what we did was we fixed the naming construction because let's see, the destination door wasn't corresponding with the actual names. The destination was actually using the door destination name and not the actual node names, because I have them, with the Pascal case up here, and then of course the actual room ID there. And so that was just a simple fix using the substring function of the string class to extract the first 6 letters and then add it on to the destination string starting at after the first 6 letters and converting to Pascal case so that it matches with what's up here. And that's what we did. And then once I got that done, this is what happened. If you notice, everything here is, we'll zoom out a little bit, everything here was stacked vertically, and we'll still have to work it to stack it, to cascade waterfall where we'll have different levels and stuff. The rest of the time today I spent with grok formulating a new file name structure, essentially. So we're going to change the RM numbers to LV numbers, and then we're going to add room numbers in 2 digits because I only need a max of 9 rooms for this one. In phase 2, we'll have could have up to 19 rooms, probably won't, but that's the max it would have. And so the RM name is going to have 2 digits, and then it's also going to have the parent designation in it so that you can notice at a glance what parent it belongs to when you read the file name. And then of course I'll add the other stuff inside the file as well. And that was what I did the rest of the day. Today, on Tuesday, April 1st, 2025, no April Fools here. I spent most of the day getting all of these renamed. So now, here, let's go to the deal here. So now I have the level, the room number, the descriptive name, and then the parent room encoded, which is level and room number. So the parent of level 33 room 1 is level 32 room 1. Then I also added a parent field in here and updated all the destination stuff with the help of grok. And it's pretty much all I did. And then of course this 2D stuff, the layout here is screwed up again because I have to figure out where the discrepancy in names go to see if I can make it start stacking again like it did. So anyways, that's about all I got, and I'll see you tomorrow. It looks like I had changes from before this morning here, and it has to do with this. What I want is I don't want it to I want it to chop off the end, but I don't want it to chop off the shoot. I don't even have those test rooms either, right? Because it probably changed that too. So I have to recreate the test rooms if I want it to recreate the test rooms, but that's okay. So destination name var prefix equals test name substring, right, 10 characters. Destination substring equals that, which is fine. And then prefix plus, and we'll see if it shows up here. Okay, reload, save scene. Oh, no, it's doing what it did earlier. Okay, 10, wait a second. It's saying to start at that, and that's right. What I want is I want 0, 10, like that. Let's see if that works. Nope, wrong thing. Anyways, reload, save scene. What was the deal here? Let me think. What did I do this morning? So what's it doing? We have 6. Okay, and then we have these which are in there. That's correct, and these aren't stacked up yet. What did I do? How did I do that? What did I do for that? Append destination and rooms district, append destination. I can't remember exactly what I did today. Darn it. Consarn it. What did I do? What's the problem here? Why isn't it doing what it's supposed to be doing? Organized by level. I didn't mess with any of these. I only messed with this in here some way, and I can't remember exactly what I did. Oh, you know what I could do though? Load all rooms. Where is it at? Build the tree. Destination. Destination equals door. Destination substring. There we go. That's what. I see what I did here. No, oh, that's right. Those are commented out. Okay. Destination name prefix string is 010. Substring is 10. Dest name length. Well, shoot. Why don't I just copy the? Oh, I copied the whole dang file. Did I? Did I? Now. Okay. Edit. Select all. Copy. Let's go in here. Select all. Paste. Save. Reload. Save scene. Oh, there we go. There we go. So let's go back to 2D, and now it's working like it did. Saved it. I don't know. I don't know about this whole GitHub thing. You know, I just saved myself by I just saved myself by copying this text over before I change anything and then reverting it back. So yeah. So this is what I did today, and I guess this is what I'm gonna count for today. You know, I'm not gonna worry about those other I think. Well, what do I have? 4 minutes. 4 minutes is not enough. I'm gonna be safe here and cut today's stream today. So yeah, okay. So today is Thursday, April 3rd, 2025, and today finally got this the layout placement working correctly, or working sort of how I want it. Originally, I would like to have these like closer together because there's this big gap here, and although it shows them equidistantly, and tomorrow I'm going to test it and see if I can do something wider, make sure it stays like that. So this is kind of like the layout right now. These are the children to this one. These are the children to this one, like that. So it treats this two children panel here. It treats this as being as wide as that. So that's why there's this extra spacing around it, because the way that they're grouped and stuff, it does make it quite a bit easier to view and to keep track of. And then eventually I'm going to add like lines that makes it a proper chart. Then I'm going to add functionality to add a button so you can add rooms, you can add doors, linkages, and we'll see if I can make the redot editor actually make it be my game editor before I actually get back to making the game. And that's about it. Okay, so today, Friday, April 4th, 2025, I didn't get much done. In fact, I kept going back and forth with grok, trying to get this to space it like I want it to be spaced, and it just keeps on coming up different deals. Like this has some things overlapped, and it's not supposed to do that. At one point, I had reverted back to an older version of the editor map that looks more like this. It just looks like a straight up tree, but there are no overlaps. And let's see something here. Let's go ahead and I made some changes. It's because of the different changes. It's actually doing like hard coding some of these positions instead of like basing it on the widths and stuff, which is weird. So that's already some sort of stupid thing there. Tried to get grok to help me build a tree diagram. Build didn't work. Commit. Push origin. Okay. So I didn't get anything done today, basically. So it's just like this. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to revert it back again. Select all, copy, okay. Let's go here, select all, paste, Control S, okay. And if we go back to it, reload, save scene. There we go. And this is what we started out with. So I can go from here, no problemo. We can start working again later just to see where we can go. Anyways, that's all I got done today, and I guess we didn't get that much done this week, so we'll try it again next week.